My name is Diahanne Payne. I have a company called Plans Are Us, one of which the specializations are making your illegal addition legal. Now, if I had 100 of me, I would not make a dent in the number of illegal additions that exist in Los Angeles and surrounding Southern California areas. You get an illegal addition one of three ways. You buy it, you build it, or you inherited it. Now, mom and dad did stuff, we cut them some slack. You bought it, hopefully you knew what you were buying and your realtor disclosed. And if you built it, you built it. Now, how do we legalize it? How do you get value for it? You have to make it legal. Now, what does that mean? That means you have to put together a new set of plans showing what was, showing what you can have, what was, and what is. And the three of those get melted into a complete set of plans. I have a checklist that if you are interested in pursuing this, that you can click, fill in your information, and we will get to you on how to proceed. I started this company in 2002 and have done hundreds of illegal additions that we make legal. There's a process. It takes time. People want to say that, well, I had a licensed contractor do it. Building code changes every 3 years. Now, if the building contractor that you hired is available to talk about what you did, then we may be able to salvage some of what you did. Because the regulations have become more lenient, we can make a lot of things legal. Illegal additions have an upside and a downside. The upside is, yeah, you got the space. You're using it. The downside is if a piece of drywall falls from an 8-foot ceiling, it'll break somebody's neck, and then you have massive liability. You are still probably buying your house from the bank, which means the bank owns it. And there is a clause in your mortgage that states all work to be done on this property that you are buying from the bank is to be done in a professional and workmanlike manner. Professional and workmanlike manner implies permits, inspections and contractors, codes and sign-offs. Now, if you don't have those, any attorney worth his salt is going to look at you hard if somebody's been hurt. And we don't want that. And this is not a scare you video. My job is to inform you, give you information so that you can make an informed decision. You can make an informed decision. And that informed decision is based upon facts and reality. Building and safety deals with facts and reality. There's no payola to pay anybody off. You either get it done the right way or you deal with the consequences if they arise, and we don't want them to arise. You have an illegal addition, you have two choices. Bring it up to code or tear it down and put it back the way it originally was. And the way that it originally was is what the building records state. Now, people will say, well, I bought it this way, or this is what I'm being taxed on. Building and safety and the assessor don't talk. I have seen chicken coops that have been made into buildings and accessory dwelling units that were chicken coops, and it essentially becomes a new building. Make your illegal addition legal. Why? Because given the square foot cost of property nowadays, you have some serious equity there. You have some serious equity there. 1. 2, you alleviate the liability. 3, you sleep a little better, you live a little better. I'm a licensed general contractor. Diahanne Payne, California Contractor's License Number 686911. I have a corporation that does plans called Plans RLS Inc. Plans, permits. Once you have all that together, you can choose to hire us. You can choose to hire your own contractor. You're not locked in. My job is to get you to the point where you are legal. Now, have you received an order to comply from a judicial body or a substandard order? Order to comply, substandard order starts the clock, and that's their clock. And you have to comply with their clock. And if you don't, they start issuing fines. Now you got Big Brother looking at you. You don't want Big Brother looking at you. I've had clients who have done all sorts of things. I don't care who did it. This is not the blame game. This is the solve the problem game. If you'd like us to be of assistance, whether it's a master suite, whether it's an accessory dwelling unit, whether it's a garage conversion, whether it's a second story, as I've had people who've done second stories without permits, give us a call. I'm easy to deal with. I cut to the chase. You are an adult. You all are adults. You all are homeowners. You all have your life savings and perhaps your largest part of your self tied up in this house. Get it legal. Live well. Give us a